two scavengers, jackal and hyena, feeding on this elephant skin. It's so stunning, like how they can somehow still find some derivement from that. I mean, Mother Nature can be so harsh that you chew on the skin. And with the hyenas, they are known to have the strongest bite force, and also their digestive system is very good to an extent that they can even digest bones, so should do well also with the skin. Yeah, that's why you still find them being attracted to this and coming here to gorge on it. Look at the saliva like coming out of its mouth, lubricating that spot where he's chewing. This elephant carcass has been here for like well over a month, I think, and there's still some smell around here, and I think that's what will attract them. Maybe once in a while they'll just pass by here and see if they can nibble on anything. Yeah, part of the rotten army, the hyena. Wow. Just hear the sounds of hunger.